Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips to simplify your life, which is code for how to be lazier, how to still get all the cool stuff you want to achieve in life done with the least amount of effort possible. We're simplifying. I made you guys a printable. It's a mini journal because journaling is like this really cool way of getting in touch with your feelings and all that woo-woo stuff, only not so woo-woo. Also, it's an editable, not that you eat, but that you edit, printable that you could do on your phones. You can this is a game changer, you guys. So you don't have to print it out. It's a whole mini journal with all of the steps to simplify your life. Simplified! You just touch and you type on your device. Who's excited? I'm excited, so let's get started. In this video, it's a 3-part series. I should have told you that. In this one, we are talking about having less. So the first thing we're going to do is declutter. And this doesn't mean getting rid of junk. Everybody always thinks that clutter is junk, and it isn't junk. Clutter is an excess of stuff, even if it's good stuff. So I want you to look around your home and find 20 things and write it down in your journal or use your phone, iPad thing, and find 20 things that you are not using and loving or have not used in the last 12 months. Even if something is good and useful, keeping it in your home is making your space useless. It's time to simplify our lives, make life easier, and it starts with letting go. The next step to having less is spending less, and this is so hard. Putting yourself on a budget is like putting yourself on a diet. It's like every day is torture, and if you're impulsive like me, you fail. But I have a tip for you. It's a really fun challenge called the 7-Day Challenge. You're on a no spend. It's the all or nothing approach. You hide away your credit and debit cards and your cash, and you live with what you have. Make sure you fill up your tank with gas and buy groceries before this, but live with the food that's in your freezer. You're gonna eat those meatballs that have been in there since 2002. They'll finally get eaten. You are going to make the most of what you have. It's actually a really fun exercise, and you will be amazed at how much money you save at the end of 7 days. So I'm taking my credit and debit card out of my phone. Some people put it in water and freeze it in their fridge. That's a lot of work. I have a terrible memory. I literally just have to pick a random drawer. By tomorrow, no idea where these are. Plus, every time I leave the house, I'm gonna forget to go look for them. So this is working for me. Into a drawer they go. Give it a try. Da 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 da! This is where our food goes to die, but not this week.
This chicken has been in here since the dawn of time.
It's like get your food bag in. It's not organized. That's the truth. It's fine. Ooh, bagel bite. The final step to having less and simplifying your life is to prioritize your purchases. It's this magical thing when you write down what you actually want out of life and make a list. You want to take your kids to Disneyland, you want to buy a bigger house, you want a new car. Let's look at the big stuff, not those little nickel and dime purchases that we waste our money on. Make a list of the things that are really important, and it will help stop you from spending all of that money on all those little things. I have a dollar store addiction. We all know it. When I add up all the money I waste on dollar stores and fast food and Starbucks coffees, that would equal a bigger mortgage payment. Life-changing, right? Life-changing. I want you to really look at all the little things you're spending and instead focus on the big things you want to be spending on. Remember, every time you get one of those fancy coffees, $5 you're spending versus the 50 cents for the less good, admittedly, but homemade coffee. So save your money for something way cooler, like the things you put on your list, because this is not worth it. Feels like it's worth it at the time. I know it does, but it isn't worth it. It's fleeting happiness, my friends. Long-term happiness is our goal. So don't forget, I'm gonna put a link down below for a handy dandy printable that you can print off or you can edit on your phone or computer. I'm getting with the times and stuff. Very excited about that. And stay tuned to the next video where we talk about the next step in simplifying your life, which is doing less. That's my favorite one. So I'll see you then. So thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Self-care is like a big thing right now, right? Like the woo-woo universe, self-love type thing, and I want to jump on the bandwagon so hard, but I just can't. I tried to meditate. First of all, getting down on the floor is hard. Second of all, thinking about nothing for an extended period of time isn't in my wheelhouse. And so I'm like, how can I still get the same results of that? You know, the peace and love and happiness in a simpler life, which really just to me is like all about being lazier. That's my end goal. Let's be honest. How can I do that without huffing essential oils, wearing crystals, and namasteing all day? How can I do that? For me, it's about journaling. It's about like having that self-awareness. It's about writing down my thoughts and stuff. I'm saving a buttload on therapy. Can I just say, a piece of paper and a pen? Seriously, it can save you. And so this is like something I'm really getting passionate about, and I'm doing the cheaty way. I don't sit and meditate. I don't do yoga. But you don't have to. That self-love, self-care, universe, woo-woo stuff doesn't have to look like that. It can look like whatever, as long as you're getting to the end goal. So cheat with me. Let's take the lazy way to self-enlightenment. Is it this finger? Is this? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Put down the essential oils, unless you like that, and then that's awesome and I'm totally cool. But if you feel pressure to like it and you don't, jump on my bandwagon. Let's simplify our lives together the lazy way. See you guys next time.